review is of the Concorde, and this is a 1/72nd scale model, and it's by Airfix, and it's going to be a large model. It's a very large box. There's your details there. This is upside down. Let's see if we can see this here. We've got some dimensions, and looks like we've got 3 different versions with decals that we can do. And let's have a look inside. So it doesn't look like we have any French versions, just British versions. Lots of screws here, and a very large sheet of decals. So first of all, here we have our glass. Looks like the one version. Here's our main cockpit windshields there. And as you can see, there's some buttons there. Paint for inside the cockpit. So let's see what that one is for. Might be for part of the nose. So here this is actually a rubber sprue, and even though this is an older kit, they're still quite flexible. Lots of little tires here. Here we have our landing gear, and it's fairly well molded. There are the wheels. That part looks like it's broken. So next we find this is the fuselage, and you can see the windows. Looks like part of our wheel well covers, and that's probably part of our cockpit there. There's the other part of the fuselage. It looks like we have some formers as well for the fuselage. And our wing. Here's the one part of the wing. You can see some recessed lines here. Here's the other side. Here's the inside of the wheel well. And we have the other wing. Same as that one. And then this is the fuselage, the lower half of the fuselage, as well as the wheel wells. A little bit of flashing here. Got some recessed lines. Looks pretty good there. So here we have, looks like our turbines, the exhaust covers. I guess these are all part of the exhaust covers and part of the engine here. That looks like that's probably part of our nose. Here we have a tail and the rear part of the fuselage, our air intakes and nose part of the fuselage. And here is the other side with some of the pilot seats over here. Here we have part of our instrument panel and cargo bay doors. We have our probably part of our wheel well, and then not really sure what most of these other parts are. All parts that go to the fuselage. We do have some axles. There's also a screw. And I'm guessing that's going to go into this part, which is a stand. So here's the stand. It's a very large piece of plastic. It's pretty sturdy. Here's the other part. Looks like the ball is going to go inside there, and that'll stand up as the model can be flown. Let's have a look now at our decals. So here we have decals. These are very nice decals, very well printed. Really good quality, lots and lots of detail here. Here's our instrument panel, multiple of them. Here's our instruction sheet. So these are all the Concordes that have been built. And here's the parts listing. Let's have a look to see if we've got some more parts. So here we show how to build the base, or the stand. I guess 3 different ways to have the model displayed. We'll start off here with, looks like our engines, both sides. And then that looks like our nose. It's going to end up coming down. So this is the hinge for that. Here's the cockpit being built. And nose then. There it is being assembled together with the main part of the fuselage. Next we build the landing gear, and the metal is actually not an axle, it's actually to support the plastic there. There's the tail, with a little tail dragger wheel. Actually that's the nose, sorry. There's a tail dragger wheel. You can have that closed if you want to. Some additional details here for the front of the nose. And then the main wheel well. Here's the main fuselage being assembled. And the wings. Main wings going on, as well as the nose. And then the nose gear, tails put on. And this looks like these are the flaps. And then lastly our engines are going on, and the gear. So here we have the wheel well covers if you want to have it closed, and also the decal and paint guide for the 3 different versions. So